Yeah, we got 2 out of 3. We got the flag too.
Where were you, sir?
He was with by us.
Yeah, that one.
What's wrong with the helmet? Why do you hate it?
I don't hate it, it's just heavy.
It's not that heavy. The gun's heavy, the helmet's heavy.
I'm just a woman. Noodle arms.
So cute. I did 80 push-ups.
Whoa, you did 80 push-ups.
Yeah.
What did you really do?
I haven't seen it.
How many at once? Oh, your rest periods.
I was doing cross fitness. I was doing running.
Let's go stand out here. I'm sure you don't want to be inside the clown, do you?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
They're going to be mad as hell now.
Yeah.
I would be. I'll switch teams. Of course, then I just shoot at all the Russians. It doesn't make sense.
It goes this way, right? Does it go this way?
Yeah.
No, it's wrong. Here, we're just picking them up because they were spawning. Yeah, watch out that you guys don't get it. You, sir! What? Game started? Game, go! Go! You like shooting me.
That was me, actually.
Alright, let's go.
One. That was you? Let's go to
All I could see was the mask, and you were. It looked like you were pointing something. So and
yeah,
you were behind
at you.
Alright, let's go to the left.
I said sorry. I yelled it. Did you hear?
Did I break out my gun yet?
No.
You're okay.
Thank you.
Oh.
Oh
Go
shit.
that when you need them up. Don't let them get
Left,
them cars.
Hello, you fine gentlemen, on this lovely day. Ah! That was incredibly close. Oh shit. Bye bye. That's KVANT. Go get him! Bang! Run to get out of the way! Run! What? Yeah, they're friendly. Friendly now. How you guys doing? All right. You see him? All right. What's that for?
What?
The box.
The flag was there. That
Oh.
you guys had to get. It was booby trapped though. There was a grenade on it.
Oh,
Situational awareness. Don't just pull and run.
like hell.
Actually, the last time they got it, he made back the spawn.
No, those are friendly. No. Those are friendly. Look that way. Watch this alleyway. We got 2 guys who went up to the cars. We gotta support them. Where are you shooting?
Like 20 of them right there.
Oh. Come back quick! Come back quick! Run! Yeah, shit. Oh shit! You okay?
It's good.
Keep moving.
That's pretty cool.
Alright, get that fucker.
I'm out.
How did I not get that guy? I got one. Got maybe one left in there. Oh shit, 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 shit. Shit. Cover me. Oh, shit. Nice. Thank you. Red building! Red building! Where are they going?
You got him?
No. Can we get those yellow cars, you think? Yellow car? Move, move, move. Oh, get down, get down. Grace, can you get to...
Car,
Yeah. Run that way and that way.
Hey,
hold on.
you move up alongside the first right here, you can get a clear shot and it's falling.
Which way you want to go? Left
Oh,
or right?
we're going down. Oh, shit!
Sorry, the guy behind you.
What? How are you doing?
Sorry, there's guys there. Get out of there.
You hit? That works.
Get out of the way if you don't want to get fucking shot, God damn it. There. Cover this door.
Yeah.
Fucking dumbasses just stood in the middle of the fucking doorway.
You got the doorway covered up. What the?
Hold that building.
I need a grenade. Bang! There's one. Watch that corner. They're coming up again. They're coming up again. Bang! That's two. Fuck! Hey! Bang, 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 bang!
What's that, Ty? What? I don't know.
Whatever, you both dead. Yellow car! Yellow car! Yellow car! Behind all the cars! Gray car! Blue car! Gray box! Start shooting!
No. Oh, maybe this man. No.
Moving. All the cars! You're done, buddy! I got one! Fuck. Reloading. Just don't let them come around on our left. Watch this, watch this. I'll shoot from this side, you shoot from that side. Oh, is it? Ugh. Ugh. That was some Good shit right there.
Thank you. Just went around them. And they were like, what the? Something wasn't registering with them.